shown the center line. So always a thick line, hidden line, this will be called as hidden line, and a thick line and the projection line and the center line, try to remember. Okay. And the dimensioning, how to do the dimensioning I have shown here. The arrow mark should be there, and in our graphics software already the dimension lines are available. I worried more about the sketches because while you are working with the sketches in the previous classes I told the first if it is for 25 mm 25 marks, 15 marks will be for the sketch work which you do in your sketchbook, and other 10 marks will be for the printout which you are going to take a printout from the this solid edge software. Okay, and the arrow marks, try to understand how to use them and how to make the alignment. Okay, please look here. The graphic software will not say don't take this dimension. It is left to the designer how he can do the dimensioning, and anyone can able to find out the difference between the left side drawing and the right side drawing. Any differences in the dimensions? Kindly clearly observe and tell me. Clearly observe and tell me. You can see that all these dimensions are not in the unidirection. See, 50 I have written 10, 20, 30, 60 diameter. All these are in one direction. 16, 28, 60 are in the other direction. Okay. And if the drawings you make, it should be unidirectional always. Okay. And this is also okay. This is also okay. And you can. This is called unidirectional. All the dimensions is the same dimensions I have shown here, but the radiability will be from the same direction. And when details are given like this, the person has to rotate the drawing sheet and see these dimensions. Okay, and both are same, both are okay, and it is unidirectional, and it is this one. And we are doing all the problem from the first angle projection only. So this is what it is, just like you are looking a movie the similar way, and this will be played here and it will be presented onto the, and the observer assumed to be here, and whatever he can able to visualize, that will be presented onto the plane called a plane of projection. If it is point A, the point A will be carried onto this, and this will become A dash. And this is point B, then this projecting line will be carrying them, and this will be B dash. And if it is C, that will be C dash. And if it is C, and this will be C dash. These points will be projected onto the plane of projection, and these lines are called the projection lines. Okay, and this is how I have drawn one drawing. You can see that this drawing has been projected onto this. Okay, this is projected onto this. You need not to worry about the complication of the drawing. Okay, try to worry about how this drawing can be visualized. Okay, and here I did one by hand sketch. I did one object. You can see triangular object. You can able to visualize.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now this triangular project I have kept here, for example, and here is observer. He is observing this, and its image will be falling onto this vertical plane. On this vertical plane, we can find only the front view of the object. Here I have written the front view of the object can be read in the this plane. And assume that again the person he was here, and what is this end? If the person is here, and this side will be right side hand, and this side will be left side hand. Okay, and the observer look from the left end, and its projection will be falling onto this right profile plane, so that given RPP, right profile plane, on this the left side view can be observed, and this view can be observed onto this. And if the person look from the top, its image falling onto this. I have shown by the dark shading, and that will be called as the top view of the object. So this physical object its top view is this and its front view is this, and this is very rarely they will be asking you the right profile plane or the left profile plane. You need not worry about these. Only these two you worry. Okay, this is the top view of the object and this is the front view of the object. And here I have shown all this one and how it can be rotated. Okay, and some sentences which I have given in the first angle project, the point will be above HP. In the second angle projection, the point will be above HP, behind VP. In the third angle projection, the point will be below HP, behind VP. And in the fourth quadrant, the point will be below HP and in front of VP. This is what I have written, and you can able to see this. Okay, this is about the quadrant. The same thing you have explained here, and you can see this. This also the first quadrant and the third quadrant, how it can visualize. Something I have given. Okay, the same problem which I wanted to show you in the previous class. These are I have taken in the form of a PPT. And here once again I wanted to tell you something. The main idea behind this engineering graphics is to make them to coincide with the vertical plane. And now already I understood in the first angle projection, this is the vertical plane, this is the vertical plane, and the horizontal plane will be rotated in the clockwise direction so that it will be coming below the XY line. It is a line of intersection of the two planes. Now this right profile plane will be rotated like this. If you rotate like this, what happens? It will not be visible. Okay, you can rotate like this. Okay, you can rotate like this. The right profile plane will be available like this. Always the right profile plane or the left profile plane will be represented by double dash. So please remember, without dash is the top view, with dash is the front view of the object, and with double dash it will be the right profile plane or left profile plane of the object. Now here I have shown both the planes, just like your house. Okay, it is the entrance and this is one wall, this is other wall, this is the other wall, and this is the front. On this you can see the front view, and this is the horizontal plane. I can see only the top view, and it is right to you. It is called the right profile plane. Right profile plane. On this I can able to visualize the left side view, and the left profile plane is the left to you. On this I can able to project the right view of the object, so that the left profile plane, on this we can find out the right side view. Okay, this is how. See, look here, some of you are asking, just like you understand, this is one the wooden plank I kept vertical. This is the other wooden plank I kept here with the hinges, and just like a door I'm going to rotate it. It will be rotated up and this will be rotated down, so that in the first angle projection will be VP is in the front, and below the XY line it is the horizontal plane. Okay, like that, vice versa. Okay, these are some of the problems I have written. These you can do them or you can leave. It is not a problem, and it will not be for the exam point of view. Okay, now I think, what is the time? Once my time is over, please try to remind me. What is the time?
2:15, sir.
Under 6 minutes.
2:15.
Under 5 minutes. Yeah, under 5 minutes. I think 5 minutes I cannot able to open the Solid software and try to introduce you. Okay, anyhow, I'll try to open the Solid software and explain you. Okay, this is the Solid software. This is the Solid software, and in this you can able to visualize the screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And here solid part sheet. You can able to see.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And in this you select the drawing option. And once you select the drawing option, the sheet will be visualizing to you. Okay, the same thing I'll be explaining in the next class. Okay, and once the sheet has come, I told you you have to take A4 size sheet. you go to the file, and slowly it will be opening to you. I think slowly I'll do it. And in the files, you can find a sheet setup. You click, and here you can find A1 size, A2 size, A3 size, and A4 size sheet. And you click onto the A4 size sheet. Okay. And even after this, you can find something which is merging. So I want to remove the background from the same sheet setup. You can click onto this. I don't want the background. The background will be kept just like for the reference to take the bill of material or some other important dimensions. Always a person need not to write it. It will be, the page will be taken backside. Okay, it is called layering. It is the layering is one. You need not to write it. You can take behind this. You can take the printout. Okay, I made disable so I can able to see this. And there are various ribbons available. And in this fit, if I say the drawing sheet will be fit to the scale. It will be fit to the scale. Now, for example, now these are the different icons which are available. Okay, to use them. And now this is very, very important. This is very, very important icons. These are drawing icons, and let me introduce them. Just let me introduce a line only today, then next class. And if you click here, or if you keep your cursor here, you can see line, and arrow mark indicates along with that some other informations are available. So by using this icon, I can draw line and point. So let me take a line. Once I click onto the line and get your cursor here and click your left side part of the cursor, the mouse, and the line one end will be created. And at the same time, please look here. Please look at this ribbon. Please look. I remove this line option. This will be disabled. You can see that. Once I click onto this line option, this particular ribbon will be visible. On this, it will be asking what is the length of the line, what is the angle. Okay, now let me click this, and I want a line to be 100 mm. In the blue color, I am going to write 100. Once after this, you press a tab. Once you press tab, it will go to the angle. So in angle, I am going to give 0 degrees. I am going to give 0 degrees. So click the right side of the mouse. This is the line. And suppose I want to, by mistake I have drawn the line 100 mm. I can convert into 50 mm also. I can convert into 50 mm also. Okay. And suppose it has to be 90 degree. Unfortunately, I drawn, so I can make it 90 degree. I can make it 90 degree. So whatever the possibilities, you can make them. Okay. This is how these ribbons where these are available and all. See, if you go to views, someone, for example, they lost the ribbon, main ribbon. You need not to search for. Go to view, go to this, and select the main. If you select, this will be visible. You can keep here. Okay. For example, drawing views. If I okay, I lost this drawing. I drawing lost, and drawing views also I lost. I can go to this drawing views and view tool drawing. So both you can keep to your convenient position here. Conveniently you can keep here. Okay, and you can visualize them. Okay, and the next class I will be